Looking to upgrade your workshop with the perfect tool for smoother, cleaner wood surfaces? Best Hand Planer for Woodworking can make shaping, leveling, and finishing wood faster and more precise for both beginners and professionals. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Makita KP0800K Hand Planer. The Makita KP0800K hand planer is a dependable choice for woodworkers who want consistent power and clean finishes in a compact design. Its 6.5 amp motor delivers strong output, allowing you to remove material quickly without sacrificing smoothness. With the ability to plane up to 3 1/4 inches wide and 3/32 inches deep in a single pass, it handles both light trimming and heavier stock removal efficiently. The two-blade cutter head spinning at 17,000 RPM ensures a refined surface, making it suitable for doors, boards, and furniture work. What stands out is the spring-loaded stand, which keeps the blade elevated when not in use, protecting both the tool and the workpiece. The blade setting system is straightforward, saving time during maintenance or blade changes. It feels well balanced in hand, reducing fatigue during longer jobs. Overall, this planer is built for reliability and ease of use, making it a solid option for both DIY users and professionals who need consistent results. Number 2. Fledukten 30,000 CPM Hand Planer. The Fledukten 30,000 CPM hand planer is designed for users who already rely on the DEWALT 20V battery platform, offering flexibility without needing an additional power system. Its brushless motor delivers up to 15,000 RPM, providing efficient material removal while running cooler and quieter than traditional models. The 3 1/4 inch planing width combined with adjustable depth control allows for accurate trimming, leveling, and smoothing tasks. This planer feels practical for everyday woodworking, especially when portability is important. The ergonomic grip and lightweight build help reduce strain during extended use, making it comfortable for both small and medium-sized projects. Safety is also a key focus, with the dual lock system that prevents accidental startups, adding peace of mind on busy job sites. While it may not match premium brands in raw power, it offers solid performance for its price range. For DIY enthusiasts or users already invested in compatible batteries, this planer provides a convenient and efficient woodworking solution. Number 3. SKIL PL20-11201 Hand Planer. The SKIL PL20-11201 hand planer is built with simplicity and practicality in mind, making it a good option for users who want clean results without complicated features. One of its most useful aspects is the dual-chip exhaust system, which helps keep your workspace clear of debris and improves visibility while cutting. This makes it easier to maintain accuracy, especially during detailed work. The smooth kickstand is another thoughtful addition, preventing the blade from damaging finished surfaces when the tool is set down. It's these small design choices that enhance everyday usability. Safety is addressed with a lock-off switch, reducing the risk of accidental starts. The planer feels easy to handle, making it suitable for beginners or occasional users who need a reliable tool for basic woodworking tasks. While it may not offer the same level of power as higher-end models, it delivers consistent performance for light to moderate applications, making it a practical addition to any home workshop. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max Hand Planer. The DEWALT 20V Max hand planer stands out as a powerful cordless option designed for professional-grade performance. Its brushless motor provides strong runtime and efficiency, while the impressive 30,000 cuts per minute ensure fast and smooth material removal. This makes it ideal for demanding tasks like leveling surfaces or trimming doors with precision. The depth adjustment system is finely calibrated, allowing for accurate control down to very small increments, which is essential for detailed woodworking. Its aluminum shoes are precision machined to maintain consistent alignment, ensuring even cuts across the workpiece. The built-in kickstand prevents damage when setting the tool down, and the front groove allows for easy edge chamfering. Despite its power, the planer remains well-balanced and comfortable to use, especially for cordless convenience on job sites. It's a strong choice for professionals and serious DIY users who need reliability, precision, and mobility in one well-built tool. Number 5. Bosch GHO 18V 26N Hand Planer. The Bosch GH018V26N hand planer offers a well-rounded combination of precision, durability, and modern design. Its brushless motor delivers 13,600 RPM, providing steady performance suitable for both fine finishing and moderate material removal. With a planing depth of up to 3/32 inches and a 3 1/4 inch width, it handles a wide range of woodworking tasks efficiently. The aluminum base plate helps maintain consistent cuts, which is especially useful when working on larger surfaces. Blade changes are quick and straightforward, reducing downtime during projects. Another practical feature is the dual shaving exhaust ports, which improve dust management and keep the workspace cleaner. The on-tool blade storage adds convenience, ensuring replacements are always within reach. The planer feels solid and balanced, making it comfortable for extended use. Overall, this model is ideal for users who value precision and thoughtful design, offering dependable performance for both workshop and on-site woodworking tasks. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.